cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut taillight tint, but what you might not know is that Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogartechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this Honda Passport, and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the taillight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it'll protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the entire taillight lens. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're able to remove all the contaminants from the taillight lens with just the slip solution, you should be good. However, if you still have any wax, oils, grease, or any coating or any other contaminants on the lens, you can also use tack solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. So grab your slip solution and also make sure you have a clean microfiber towel. Spray the solution onto the lens, and with your towel, start removing all the contaminants that the taillight may have. And also just clean around the surrounding area, just in case if the film does touch the paint or anywhere else on the body, it doesn't catch any contaminants. So for the taillight tint kit, it's only 2 pieces to install for the taillight. So we're going to start with piece number 1, which is this one here, which covers this, and then piece number 2 covers the rest of the panel here. Okay, so to start with the installation, make sure you grab your slip solution, apply it to the front section of the taillight and to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do is just align the film on the edge right here. So start the alignment right here, that way it's more easier to align, and then work your way towards the top. So once it's aligned here, make sure everything's aligned on this side section here, and everything else should be good there. Lift it carefully and start applying tack solution. Grab your squeegee, make sure you're holding the film with one hand, and with your other hand grab your squeegee and start tightening down. Remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film. Double check and make sure you don't leave any water bubbles. If there is some, just make sure to squeegee them out. And then once you remove all of the water bubbles, we will go ahead and use our heat gun. You can also use a hairdryer and seal all the edges here. That way we tack down the film since it's still lifting. So grab your tack solution, spray it on the edge. Grab your heat device. You can use a heat gun or hairdryer. Use the lowest setting on your device and apply heat evenly throughout the entire edge of the tint. And as you apply heat, we're going to use a microfiber towel just to help tack down the edges and help it seal as well. The microfiber towel will just help remove any solution that's trapped around the edges. So seal, and then once we're done, we can move on with piece number 2. Okay, so for now, for piece number 2, apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And we want to start by aligning it on the edge right here. So just align the tint to the curve of the taillight. Once you have it aligned, lift the film carefully and apply tack solution underneath the film. And then on top, grab your squeegee and start tacking down this section of the film. We need to secure this spot here. That way it stays tacked down as we finish the rest of the install here. So for the remaining section of the tint here, we just need to make sure to lift it and align it and adjust it. That way it covers both the bottom and the top section here. So just lift, apply a little bit of slip solution. That way we're able to align the film. So align it, and just a small little stretch will be needed in order for it to reach and overlap this piece, and same on this section here, it's going to overlap a little bit on top. So stretch down. That way it has full coverage. Hold it in position for a couple seconds. Lift the film. Apply tack solution underneath. And carefully start just tacking it down slowly. This section is secure, and now do the same on top. Lift it. It should have slip solution underneath, so you'll be able to just stretch it until you reach to the edge here. And the film overlaps with this piece here. And start tacking it down slowly. You can also apply tack solution that will help the adhesive activate faster. And that's pretty much it. And the last step would be to seal the edges, just like how we did it with the first piece. We seal the edges with heat and applying tack solution, and sealing over here as well. If you do encounter these small little fingers, those fingers you could remove them by applying just a little bit of heat as well. But you can also squeegee them down. But just to help the adhesive activate faster where the fingers are located, apply heat. That way it stays tacked down. So just grab your tack solution, start sealing the edges, remove the fingers, and then we should be good. And then once you're done with the installation for the tail lights, we move on to the last step, which is post heating. So the last thing to do is to post heat the entire tail light. So in order to post heat, you're going to need your tack solution, your heat device, a heat gun or hair dryer. So grab your tack solution, spray it all over the tail light. The tack solution just adds an extra layer of protection. That way, once we start applying heat, we don't accidentally burn the film. And also, just to prevent burning the film, use the lowest setting on your device and apply heat evenly throughout the entire tail light. That way we help the adhesive activate faster, and also to help seal the edges in case it is lifting. As we're doing that, grab your microfiber towel just to help tack down those edges. Remove the tack solution around those edges as well. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the tail light tints for the Honda Passport. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. And also, don't forget to check out our other pre-cut kits for the Honda Passport. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.